Wait before you skip this, because I want to share something that's been a total game changer for me, especially on busy nights when I need a fresh start in the morning. You know how it feels to wake up feeling sluggish and weighed down, like you're carrying around a heavy fog that just won't lift. That's where the bedtime gelatin trick comes in. It's this simple, overnight ritual that helps your body reset and rejuvenate while you sleep. I've been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, and I've noticed that I wake up feeling more refreshed, with a flatter stomach, and more energy to tackle the day. The idea behind the gelatin trick is that it helps to support your digestive system while you sleep, which can make a big difference in how you feel in the morning. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your bedtime routine, you can start to notice some pretty cool benefits, like improved digestion and a more balanced gut. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and she says it's been a total lifesaver on nights when she's feeling bloated or uncomfortable. Researchers say that using the gelatin trick can even help to reduce inflammation and promote a healthier gut microbiome. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got you covered. Just head to the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the gelatin trick, be sure to check out the pinned comment below where I've shared some additional tips and resources.